Hello folks, today I've got two Dom cam locks. I've seen these fitted to what are they? Lift elevators. The latest ones with the control panels. I've seen them, that's where I've seen these fitting on, so I've seen them fitted to payphones where the keypad is electronics part. So I've just recently getting these, so the tools I'm going to be using is this cheap Chinese pick and then this Peterson's, which was snapped, and I managed to grind a little shallow hook out. It's only tools I've got. So I'm going to give this one a shot first. Get that nice and tight. You can see they turn one direction. And there's your key bit for that one. So let's give it a crack out. Give this one a shot. I'm guessing, because I haven't picked them, I'm guessing they've got standards in. But with Dom you never know, because it makes some cracking locks. So let's start again. 1, 2. I was halfway actually picking through this in the camera diagrams. I managed to get like about 2 seconds of picking action. So now go, let's open standard pins. Like I see, you can't gut, these are permanent. So give this one a pin tumbler one. I'm going to pick it this way, I'm going to try this way. Pins down, it is block spot, and pick a lock whichever you fancy. So I'm going to be using this tensioner. Get that in there like that. Right, let's go. I'll do that. Click on 2, that was 1. That's not going to work bad. 1, 2, click on 2, 3, 4. I'll tell you what I'm doing that way, I'm going to do it the proper way. Because usually I like picking my pins down instead of up. I'm going to try that way. Just zoom out a touch. That's better. Right, let's start again. Let's see if we can get this bad boy open. See if this is going to be more tougher than that one. Let's click on 2. Using heavy tension, because I'm guessing I've got standards in, we'll soon find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on 3. 2. 2, 3. There. It's not going to work that. The lock's sliding all over the shop. Right, try this way. I might do the drag back. What I mean by drag back is like dragging me pick along the pins. So it's a click on 5, nothing on 4, nothing on 3, 1, 2. There we go, it's got it. And there we go, that's that one picked. So there we go, 2 Dom locks, standard pins, like to shadow it out, both picked. So anyway, that was a quick one. Like I say, after the holidays I'll have some absolutely cracking locks to pick. Stay safe everybody, happy picking, laters.